on the way to Helensburgh.
There's a catch with this.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Hey guys, so we're on our way to Helensburgh. So we're going to have lunch there and we're going to take some pictures of a very famous bridge in Sydney, the Seacliff Bridge. Yeah, we're gonna fly a drone there. So everything was closed in Helensburgh, which we don't know if it's because it's winter, because it's 2 o'clock almost. Yeah, we don't know. So we're going to try a place nearby in Stanwell Tops, where we had lunch in summer last time we were here, and I think we showed you this place. We'll link the video up here. Yeah, let's see if it's open. So guys, the real reason we came here was because there's some vacant land to be sold around Helensburgh, which is kind of an hour away from Sydney and like on the edge of the Royal National Park. Yeah, and we are trying to find some land to put a tiny house, and we've come to see if it was suitable or not. Oh, we're trying to find it at the moment. And we still have another one to check out. What's your thoughts, Margarita?
I don't know yet.
So this is the second one, which I think is after the barbed wire. Yeah. So somewhere in here. I think they're subdividing the land into lots at the moment, so we're not really certain of exactly what it is. And this one is about 1,000 square meters. The other one was about 700 square meters. Yeah, but I mean, I guess it's it's a big area regardless. So on this one you can see the sea from this one, but however you can also see this like industry or whatever this is here, and there's a lot of trucks. So I think this is a no, even though it's slightly bigger than the other one. But there's a catch with these parcels of land. They're zoned as environmental land, environmental tree land, like E3, and you're not allowed to build anything here. Well, I've dig into it and I think you're allowed, but I mean you can build like a big building or whatever, but you can build like a dwelling. But I think the lady at the agency told us you can only build it if you have like more than 40 acres of land, which a subdivision it's smaller than that. So, but maybe possible to put a tiny house on wheels here. Well, regardless, it will be a lot of work, and we have to dig more into it to see if we can like cut down some trees and whatnot. Yeah, we have a lot of research to do. Yeah, so this would be our neighbors if we opted for this one. Yeah, which we think it's a no. The other one is more secluded, which is a good thing.